Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Java, an easy guide for beginners. To start, you'll want to understand Java's fundamental concepts, such as variables and data types. Next, set up your development environment by installing a Java Development Kit, often referred to as a JDK. This essential tool allows you to compile and run your Java code. Begin by writing very simple programs, perhaps a Hello World application, to get a feel for the basic syntax and structure. This foundational step is crucial for building confidence. Once you have the basics down, delve into object-oriented programming, or OOP. Key principles include encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, which are central to Java's design. It's vital to practice writing code consistently. Aim for at least 30 minutes daily to solidify your understanding. Engage with coding challenges on platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank to sharpen your problem-solving abilities. These exercises will expose you to various scenarios and help you think like a programmer. After mastering the core, you can explore more advanced Java topics. Consider diving into collections, which are frameworks for storing and manipulating groups of objects, and multithreading for running multiple parts of a program concurrently. Leverage the vast array of online tutorials, official Java documentation, and reputable courses to deepen your knowledge. Don't hesitate to join developer communities and forums. They are excellent places to ask questions, share insights, and learn from experienced programmers. The best way to solidify your Java skills is by building real-world projects. Start with small, practical applications like a calculator or a simple to-do list. As you progress, consider contributing to open-source projects. This offers invaluable collaborative experience and exposes you to professional codebases. Remember, learning Java is an ongoing journey. Continuously refine your skills by staying updated with new features and best practices. This hands-on approach will transform you into a proficient Java developer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.